So for this small project we need a smoke machine, and I used the Micro Fogger 2 from Workshop Science, and I really love this small thing. We only need a box, the smoke machine and some ice. You need to make some holes into the box, and I use this burning tool, but you can use also a drill or a saw or scissors, just what you like. Just be careful not to breathe the smoke from the burning plastic. So now we've made the hole for the smoke to come in, and after it cooled down it needs to get out of the box, and that's why we make a large hole on the bottom of the box for the smoke to get out. If you have a bigger smoke machine, you better use just a bigger box. We still have to put some ice in it, but let's see what it does without the ice. All the smoke goes up, but that is not what we want. We want it to stay on the floor. And to make that possible, we have to cool it down, and that's why we use a lot of ice.
Start it up. Lit.
And now we're done. Let's see how it works. I love to make pictures, and that's why I'm going to use it to make a picture of this beer.